Hi guys, this is Madness Makeup, aka Caitlin. So today I bought a new Wet n Wild highlighter and it's in the shade 319B Blossom Glow. Blossom Glow. Yeah, I think it's like kind of pink toned. It was the only one they had when I went to Walgreens because I got my second COVID shot. Alright. Let's see if I can get it open. What it looks like. It's really pretty. So I'm excited to try that. And then I just wanted to use some newer products as well that I picked up over the past few months. So I think today we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and it's really pretty, and sorry, I don't want to blind you guys. And it looks like that. Don't know if you can see the whole thing, but yeah, super pretty. I don't know what I want to do today, if I want to do something to like match my Aeropostale shirt or what. So yeah, we will see. Or maybe I'll just do like a natural look, maybe add some like gold glitter or the shimmer. So yeah, I will decide, I guess, what I want to do. So I'm gonna do all of my face makeup up to my highlighter, and I will be right back with you guys then. Alright guys, so I just did all of my base makeup. So for primer, I started with the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. And this was in my October Ipsy Big of last year, I believe. And then for foundation, I use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder Foundation. Thought I would give this a go on camera. So we're very light foundation today. And for concealer, I use the Yenza BC concealer, which is full coverage, but I didn't really make it that full coverage. And then I use the Item Beauty Cheek Money in the shade Vibes with a Z. And then this is the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. It's cute, it's got a little sun, and it's kind of sparkly and glowy. Well, I think it's just sparkly. I don't know if it's really glowy. And then I use the Shayna B Miami blush, and this is in the shade Bellini. It's a nice peachy color. And then I sprayed my face with setting spray. So we're gonna take our boga cheese. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I'm gonna say it. This is a tapered highlighting brush. I also have another highlighting brush from him as well that I get through my Ipsy Bigs. So I'm just going to pick up the Blossom Glow highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to use my Mercury Retrograde palette mirror, and I'm going to put that on my face. Should keep that over here so I could dip into it. Alright, perfect. Yeah, so I have this friend, her name is Anna, and I watch her all the time. And so she totally recommends these highlighters, so I had to pick one up because I had to go into Walgreens for my shot, and they actually gave us a coupon, and she let me walk around the store and stuff. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So it does have a bit of a pink glow, but it's really pretty, and I don't think it's like way too pink. I think it's like, well, I say it's subtle and it's like pink. But I think you get what I mean. Okay. Wow, I love it. Alright, let's put some on our nose then. So I can do kind of looking my mirror. I'm gonna blend that out. I'm also gonna put some right on my Cupid's bow. I did put some chapstick on my lips. Wow, this is stunning. Alright, I think that looks really good. Oh. I like it. Alright, let me go do my brows and prime one eye off camera, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so I'm kind of thinking with our With our highlighter, we should probably stick to something more natural. And maybe not the blue. I swear to God, I'll use the blue sometime. Maybe off camera, maybe on camera, we'll see. Well, if I get this in my palette roulette soon, I could definitely do the look with the 2 blues in here. But we can stick to some more of the purple shades. I'll figure something out. Let's take this round crease brush. And I guess I'll dip into the shade Utopia to put it in my crease. It's that like kind of corally shade up there. Don't know if you saw it. Oop, don't want to drop that. Okay. So I'm taking that on my round crease brush and I am putting it on. You can really see the veins in my eyes. I cleaned all my brushes, so they're really nice. And, well, this one I used it a little bit, but yeah, they're nice and clean. This one I'm seeming to have a harder time building it up. I don't know why. Maybe this one I just have to pack on. Okay, that seems to help. Very interesting. Really pretty though. What shade shall I use next? I'm gonna use Karma, and that's down there. That shade. I think it goes along with that color pretty well, and I'm gonna just take it on the same brush. Really pretty. Really, really pretty together. Alrighty, and then I have to decide if I want to use Gold Glitch or if I want to use Galaxy. Well, we'll just try the shade Galaxy, so it's this really pretty shade with shimmer. I will see if these are real sparkles, although it does look pretty metallic. That's really pretty, oh my gosh. Alright. Oh yeah, those are real sparkles, alright. There's nothing wrong with that, I just gotta be careful because I have contacts on. Wow, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh. This is like a rose gold look, and I'm loving it. Okay, wow. I'm impressed. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, I used this shade in my other tutorial, but instead of going into Vortex, I think this could look pretty nice. So this is the shade Hot Mess. It's like a kind of burgundy color right there. And I'm gonna take that little pencil brush. This is from Eco Tools. We'll dip into Hot Mess and see how that goes out on the outer corner. Ooh, okay. Not bad at all. So I'm also going a little bit my lid as well. And we'll blend that out. We're gonna blend everything out. Yeah, It Cosmetics blending. Or actually, I'm gonna blend these 2 shades up here because I totally forgot to do that. So sorry, you guys. Alright. I think that's good. And then let's take the Betty Boop and Ipsy brush. That's what that looks like. And I'm just going to blend that in. And then once again, I'm gonna take that shade. I'm just gonna pack it on. Just to deepen it up a little bit. It's really pretty. I don't know what I'm doing. Wow, that looks really good. Okay. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Huh. Nah, I'm not gonna put that in my inner corner. Oh, what we can definitely do is take the Wet n Wild highlighter. Oh, now I can't open it. Okay, there we go. Let me find my highlighting brush really quick. There it is. Alright, this is the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. And we're taking this Wet n Wild and we're putting it in our inner corner. So I'm gonna take the mirror from my palette and I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner. Really pretty, and then we'll put it in our brow bone also. Well, obviously I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, but yeah, let me put that in the brow bone. So now I'm taking a BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and this is from their festival set. It's a very pretty lime green set, so I'm gonna dip into here. And I'm going to... Now, obviously, if you want, you don't have to use that lighter purple if you want to darken your outer V more than I did, because it's not that dark of a shade. You definitely can go into Vortex if you have the same palette, or like a similar shade in another palette. It looks like a dark purple, almost black purple. That makes sense. Yeah, wow, this looks really pretty. Oh my gosh. I love it. And actually what's interesting is that I put it in my inner corner and it almost looks gold, and I don't know if that's just the gold mixing with it. But wow. This is a very interesting highlighter. Alrighty. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll figure out something for the lips, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, I don't know what I did with my setting spray. Okay, so here's the finished look. I'm gonna add some setting spray. Alright, so this is kind of similar to my other look, but not similar. So I use the NYX brow pomade, and I use the Benefit Their Real Magnet mascara, and then I use the Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner, and then I use the Half Caked liquid lipstick in the shade Sweet Tooth, and it's cute. It has like little hearts as the O's. Alright, so let's talk about the products we used today. So, really pretty highlighter. I love it. Anna was definitely right. They are really good. Super pigmented. And depending on what you're wearing, like on your cheeks it might turn pink because you might be wearing like pinker blush. But if you put it in your eye, it's almost like a gold, especially if you're wearing gold eyeshadow. Or at least that's what it seems to me, but maybe I'm just losing my marbles or something. But yeah, this palette is so beautiful, and I'm kind of sad that mine, like, the clasp is broken, so it could, like, fall open. So I probably shouldn't take this one traveling with me. But yeah, it's so pretty. It's beautiful for spring because it has really nice pastels. And I love it so far. So yeah, I'm excited to try those blue shades and stuff. But I think this palette's super diverse, and there isn't like a lot of neutrals, and you still can do some neutral looks with it. But like there's actual colors in there, like peach and pretty taupes, and like a wine color, obviously a teal color, and a like blue duochrome shimmer thing going on. And not to mention the glitters are really pretty also. Like, I can't wait to try Nebula and stuff. But yeah, I'm actually really glad I picked this up. I did get it on sale from Sephora, and I thought it was a great steal that I got. So yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so there we go. That's my review, and then this is the final look. So my hair is not brushed, but I'll just put it down. Yeah, so this is the final look. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, bye!